In this video, we listed the 5 best lightweight camping chair on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LENCE Camping Chair. The LENCE 3rd generation chair is a lightweight and portable outdoor seating solution designed for versatility and durability. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, this chair features an aircraft-grade aluminum frame that can support up to 400 pounds, making it both strong and reliable. Its cover is made from 900D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon, ensuring it is resistant to rips and tears, while double seams enhance its longevity. With dimensions of 19.7-inch x 16.9, x 26.4-h, this foldable chair is compact enough to fit into a backpack or carry-on luggage, making it ideal for camping, picnics, beach outings, and various outdoor events. Additionally, it includes side pockets for convenient storage of small items. LENCE is dedicated to providing high-quality portable chairs and encourages customer feedback to continuously improve their products. Number 2. Overmont Camping Chair. The Overmont oversized folding chair combines durability and comfort, measuring 39 by 22 by 22 inches and crafted from double-layer, tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric with a sponge cushion for added comfort. Designed with a strong alloy steel frame, it supports an impressive weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, 204 kilograms, and features non-slip, textured feet for stability. This practical chair includes convenient mesh pockets, a cooler bag, and a durable cup holder for easy access to personal items, making it an excellent choice for camping, hiking, or outdoor events. Its ergonomic design with a fully padded backrest and armrests ensures fatigue relief, allowing users to sit comfortably for extended periods. The chair is lightweight at just 11 pounds and easily portable, folding down to a compact size of 39 by 6.2 by 6.2 inches without the need for complicated assembly, making it ideal for individuals seeking a larger, high-quality folding chair. Number 3. MARCHWAY Folding Chair. The MARCHWAY lightweight portable camping chair in vibrant orange is designed for stability, comfort, and convenience, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts. With dimensions of 19.7-inch x 21.5, x 25.6-h and a lightweight aluminum frame weighing just 2.7 pounds, this chair is easy to transport and set up, fitting comfortably in a backpack. Its innovative triangular frame ensures exceptional stability, supporting up to 330 pounds while preventing tipping, even during movement. The chair features a ripstop polyester seat that offers superior comfort and a proper tilt angle for lounging or socializing. Easy to assemble with elastic cords and Velcro straps for storage, it is perfect for a variety of activities, including camping, fishing, tailgating, and music festivals, making it a versatile choice for anyone seeking a reliable and portable seating solution. Number 4. iClimb Ultralight Beach Chair. The iClimb Black Square Frame Chair is an ultralight yet heavy-duty outdoor chair designed for comfort and stability, weighing only 2.2 pounds and capable of supporting up to 330 pounds. Its square frame and large detachable anti-sinking feet make it ideal for use on soft ground, such as sand at the beach. With dimensions of 20.5-inch x 20.9, x 26.4-h and a seat height of 13.8 inches, this chair features an ergonomic design that provides ample back support for extended sitting. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and durable 600D ripstop Oxford fabric, it is corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. The chair is compact when packed, 13.8 by 5.5 by 5.1 inches, and comes with a storage bag for easy transport, making it perfect for various outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and picnics. Additional features include a breathable mesh back for comfort, a cup holder, and a side pocket for small items. iClimb backs its product with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring reliability for years to come. Number 5. Naturehike YL08 Ultralight Chair. The Naturehike YL08 camping chair is a lightweight and portable seating solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, weighing just 2.12 pounds and capable of supporting up to 265 pounds. Constructed with aircraft-grade 70-75 aluminum alloy, which is 67% stronger than standard aluminum, this chair features a two-pole reinforced structure for enhanced stability on various terrains. Its easy setup process, facilitated by an internal bungee cord, allows users to assemble the chair in under 60 seconds. The seat is made from breathable, tear-resistant 600D Oxford cloth with a mesh design for comfort during extended use, while its anti-static properties help keep it clean. Additionally, the chair includes detachable anti-sinking feet for stability on soft ground, a carry bag for convenient transport, and a compact storage size of 14.6 inches by 3.6 inches when not in use, making it an ideal choice for camping, beach outings, or travel.